started a new series and it's called One Flavor, One Color, and it's where I make desserts that are one flavor and one color. I color things with fruit and vegetables. I'll link my first, second, and third video in the description down below where it goes more in depth about what the series is, and you can check out what other colors I've made so far. Comment down below your ideal flavor and color pairing, and who knows, maybe you'll comment on one of my videos. Also, comment down below if you think I passed or failed in getting the color correct as well as the flavor pairing. Stay to the end of this video to get a sneak peek on the color I'll be using in my next video. I upload every day, Monday to Friday, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to press that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. So the color for today is orange, and the flavor for today is also orange. So for today, we're making an orange jelly cake. Peel 2 oranges and segment them. Try to remove the pith without piercing the segments. The pith is that white layer on the fruit. Place into a jar. In a pan over medium heat, add 2 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of sugar. Boil until the sugar dissolves. Pour the boiling sugar syrup over the oranges. Leaving a little headspace, seal with a lid and submerge the whole jar in hot water for 10 minutes. And then wait 12 hours before using the fruit. Make 1 packet of orange jelly and pour 1 1/2 cups into a round pan sprayed with cooking spray. Refrigerate for 2 hours or until jelly has set but not firm. Strain the canned oranges and set the liquid aside. Use all the oranges. I cut mine up. Stir 1/2 cup of milk into the remaining jelly and mix until well combined. Add 1 packet of dry vanilla pudding. Mix until well combined. Stir in your cut up oranges. Mix until well combined. Add 2 cups of whipped cream, mix until well combined. Spoon over jelly layer, smooth out the top and wrap in cling film. Place in the fridge for 4 hours. I placed the round pan into some hot water, but I think I left it a bit too long because when I unmolded it, the jelly had melted slightly. I added a layer of parchment paper as well as cooking spray because I was just scared that the jelly would stick, but it turns out that the cooking spray was sufficient enough. You don't need to add parchment paper. Cut up the orange jelly cake and enjoy! The orange pieces made it a bit difficult to cut. Can you guess what color I'm making next?